August 31st, 2021. How's it going, guys? I wanted you to see this. In the last 5 minutes, we've had over a quarter of an inch of rain. That is unreal. But check this out. Hold on. Now, this is one of my security cams. Look at my gutter. Now, I just got up there 2 weeks ago and made sure it was cleaned out. The volume of water that is coming down the gutter, basically a lot of these gutters cannot handle the flow and they just start overflowing. Look at that. Look at that. That is unreal. It just can't handle the volume. And this creates other problems and other issues along the line for lots of other different things, but look at that. Unreal, guys. Let's check out, see how much it's come down now. Okay, I'm back. Look at the volume. We're at 0.34 now. Look at the miles per hour. Anyway, keep your eyes open. Have a good one.